Navigating the complexities of divorce often involves considering the associated legal costs. Rocket Lawyer is an online legal service that offers various options for individuals seeking to manage legal processes, including divorce. Understanding their pricing structure for divorce-related services is crucial for informed decision-making. Rocket Lawyer does not typically offer a fixed fee for handling an entire divorce case from start to finish. Instead, their approach involves a membership model that provides access to a range of legal resources and attorney consultations. For divorce, the costs associated with Rocket Lawyer can vary depending on the specific services utilized and the complexity of the situation. Here's a breakdown of how their pricing generally works in the context of divorce. Membership subscription. Rocket Lawyer operates on a subscription basis. Members typically pay a monthly fee that grants them access to various features, including legal document templates. This includes templates for divorce-related documents, such as settlement agreements, property division outlines, and child custody plans. Members can customize these templates to their specific circumstances. Attorney consultations. Members usually have access to brief, typically 30-minute, consultations with attorneys on various legal matters, including divorce. This can be helpful for initial guidance and clarification on specific legal questions. Discounted legal services. While the membership provides access to attorneys, more extensive legal representation beyond the initial consultation is generally offered at a discounted hourly rate for members. Specific divorce services and associated costs. The actual cost of using Rocket Lawyer for divorce will depend on how much attorney time is needed. For instance, document review. If you utilize their templates and want an attorney to review the documents you've prepared, this would likely be billed at their discounted hourly rate. Legal advice and strategy. For more in-depth advice on your specific divorce case, potential strategies, and navigating legal procedures, you would need to engage an attorney through their platform, again, typically at their member discount rate. Full representation. Rocket Lawyer is generally not designed to provide full, ongoing representation in a contested divorce case in the same way a traditional law firm would. If your divorce is complex, involves significant disputes, or requires extensive court appearances, you would likely need to seek dedicated legal counsel. In essence, there isn't a single Rocket Lawyer divorce fee. The cost is variable and depends on the extent to which you utilize their attorney consultation services beyond the basic membership access to templates. You pay a subscription fee for access, and then additional costs accrue if you require more attorney time for advice, document review, or other specific needs. Carefully assess the complexity of your divorce. If your situation is relatively straightforward and involves minimal disputes, Rocket Lawyer's templates and initial consultation might provide sufficient guidance at a lower overall cost compared to hiring a traditional attorney for full representation. However, if your divorce is contentious, involves significant assets, child custody battles, or other complex legal issues, investing in dedicated legal representation from family law attorney may be more beneficial in the long run to protect your interests and navigate the legal process effectively. Consider the potential need for ongoing legal support and court appearances when evaluating whether Rocket Lawyer's services align with your specific divorce requirements.